Hi, my name is Liliane.
I'm part of the mastermind with Evans, and it's amazing to see first-hand experience as I'll be starting my own project soon.
A little bit of vitriol, and if it's really gonna catch you up, give it a little bit of vitriol.
It's so great to be seeing it in person rather than just in a classroom.
I mean, it's been mind-blowing. I've learnt a lot.
Good luck and don't dare give up, give it a little bit of vitriol. Hey! Good luck and don't dare give up.
It was really insightful. We're currently focusing on rent-to-rent, but it was just insightful just learning about the BRRR strategy.
So yeah, maybe in the future we'll be doing a BRRR. So yeah, it was a good day, loads of knowledge, and hopefully we'll be doing one in the future.
Saying, hey, good luck and don't